Hi everybody, Paul here with PTZOptics, and in this video I have a very exciting new feature for Hive Studio to go over, and it's called Multi-Bridge. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain what Multi-Bridge is and add a second bridge to my PTZOptics studio. So a bridge is essentially a new feature inside of Hive that serves as the software running on either a Mac or a Windows computer that bridges the local area network and all the video sources to your Hive studio. And now with Hive, we can link as many bridges as we'd like to any studio with all plans. So when you search for adding a new video source, essentially all the bridges connected to your studio will show all of the available video sources, whether they're NDI, RTSP, OnVIF, or locally connected USB devices. So I just did a search there and there was only one bridge connected. So let's add another bridge. Now, right now, this is my laptop computer. You go ahead and click Add Bridge. Now I have two bridges in my Hive studio. And now this allows me to add sources from one local area network to another, even if they're on different sides of the country or different areas of the world. So you can create central control rooms. So now when I add a source to my Hive studio, I'm searching not just the sources that are on my local area network, but I'm also searching those on the second bridge local area network as well. And in the case of having two computers on the same local area network, you can actually decide which bridge you would like to connect that source to. So this allows you to have distributed computing. So if you have two computers that you want to run your main production so that you can add more cameras, you can do that very easily. So that is how it works. It's really, really powerful for two parts of video production. One is just simply allowing you to have multiple computers connected if you want to have distributed maybe two less powerful computers. And then on the flip side, it also allows on the high end to have multiple productions to set up together. So you're probably familiar with Hive Studio running on a computer, a Windows computer, a Mac computer, and it runs the Hive software and it creates a bridge. That's what our bridge is from a computer. And you can send that to a remote location, right? So you can click the share button and share it with other people in the world. You can also have Hive running on a Hive linked camera. And in that case, you don't need a computer. The cameras themselves become bridges. So the camera has basically the bridge built into the camera. So those are the two different ways that a lot of our customers are using Hive. In this scenario that I just showed, we're actually showing how you could have multiple bridges. So 1, 2, 3 studios. You can have an unlimited amount of studios brought into a central control room where you now have access to adding cameras to all those different studios, which might be on different local area networks, and bring them all into one central location. So while you can run Hive on the local area network and use no bandwidth, right? So no bandwidth needed for the local area network in local mode. You can also control multiple studios one at a time, right? With just one bridge per studio, or Hive linked cameras. And I know this is a lot. That's why we're making this video to go over this. And you can remotely manage everything. So just giving you an idea of what it's like to have Hive running with multiple bridges. You're going to find a lot more devices on the local area network, and you can see which bridge each device is connected to. So you can see like this one here. This is a device that is in our conference room. Okay, so this is a PTZOptics camera coming through my laptop in a different local area network. You can see it's coming through the MSI bridge, my MSI laptop, or I can choose actually devices on the network that I'm in over here, a completely different network, completely different IP range. So very interesting how you're able to do that. Very, very flexible for building cloud-based control rooms. And just to show you guys that Hive is getting better all the time, adding a lot of flexibility. Very excited. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.